Hi everyone, today's makeup tutorial is very me because it's very pink and I'm very pink inside and out, and the traffic is really something today. Oh, now I wanted this to be all about the eyes, and so I didn't even do blush and I kept it very neutral for the lips. Hope you enjoy. What's my hair doing? Who cares? Alrighty, first things first, I'm doing foundation. Then concealer. MAC Mineralized Skin Finish Powder. Estee Lauder Bronze Goddess Bronzer. I know, but I love it. And for highlight, I'm using MAC Soft and Gentle. So for the eyes, I'm starting with a little bit of MAC Wedge, just in the crease of the eye. Just a little bit. Just a little bit, nothing too crazy. Now, for the main color, of course, you can use whatever you like. In my opinion, when in doubt, pink. I'm using this color that doesn't have a name. Use what you have, okay? And I'm using this color all over the eyes, focusing mostly on the lash line. Now you want to really blend out the edges of the color. Then add some more. Just continue to add more color, blend out the edges, add more color, blend out the edges until you're somewhat happy with the intensity of the color and the blend. And that's it. Like I said, you can use whatever color you want. You can use more than one color. You can do a whole freaking rainbow if you want. Just do you. For my waterline, I'm using a black eye pencil. And then with a tiny little bit of black eyeshadow, I'm smudging that along the lash line, top and bottom. And then you can go back in with the pink and just marry the two colors together. Something like that. Do you see the difference? Hopefully you can. Mascara. Now you can, of course, do falsies. I prefer to do mascara when I've got something like this going on because I don't want to cover up what I've just done. I'm using Anastasia Beverly Hills Deep Brow Pomade for me brows. Okay, and for lips I'm using this MAC liquid lipstick in the shade Burnt Spice. There you have it. This is the final look. Bye. How do you do that? Action. No. Okay, forget it. So there you go.